How do you say coconuts?
Coconut dong.
Do.
Dong, yeah.
Dong. Dong.
Yeah, yeah.
Dong. 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 Dong.
Đồn.
Coconuts. What's going on, guys? So today we are heading out and we're gonna go check out the rice paddies at a local Tuk Tuk driver's farm. Super excited. Just got in a nice session at the gym with the sauna as well. We are cruising right now. Overall, my interactions with people, it has been interesting. And I would like to make an attempt on the local language a bit more so that I can have a little bit more in-depth kind of interactions with them. If I can just get down to the basics. Super excited to be in this part of the world again because I was here 2 times prior in similar time zones and I always pulled the plug quickly. But this time I'm not. This time I'm committed, I'm dedicated to it. And I know that adjusting to new time zones, especially very drastic ones from where you've been living, takes time. You gotta give yourself at least 2 weeks. There aren't really traffic rules here. It's just you make eye contact, and if you have a bigger car, a bigger sized vehicle, then you have the right of way. So trucks, larger things, they have the right of way, obviously. Then smaller sized vehicles, down to motorbikes, then basic bicycles, and then humans. So if you're one of the smaller ones and there's a bigger one coming, and you don't get out of the way, then they have the right of way to run you over, and people just carry on. So you have to be aware of that. Your mom, your house. And we have arrived to the destination.
Hello.
Hello. His name is Sai, right?
My name is Sai. Now is visiting the Lolei Village.
His name is Sai Coffee.
Yeah.
Sai Coffee. So this here is for fire.
Yeah.
And this over here is water.
Water, yes. You just stop and then like this.
To stop the water.
Stop the water, like stop the water. Stop.
Wow, nice.
Yeah.
And is that water able to drink?
Yeah,
It's clean?
Yeah, drink and like it's another one. It's clean.
Okay, right
Yeah.
here?
Yes, and then
So what is
this
it?
water now is cast.
Is it like a water filter?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then another one is inside one more place.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice. Wow, cool.
This is for the right.
So this is rice.
Yeah.
Okay, the rice is in here. And where does this rice come from? Is this yours? Like you farm the rice here?
Yeah, here.
Over here?
It's already.
On the field?
Yeah. I saw you yesterday. It's already.
Over there.
Yeah. 6 months for the cast.
Sikman Utpakas.
Cast.
The cutting.
Yeah, cutting.
So this is a rice field.
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
This is for the temple. The same is the Lolei temple.
Over there.
Yeah.
This is the first rice field that I've been to.
Yeah.
Overall, very colorful, very green, very peaceful. And I saw on the way in as well that they were buffalo.
Yeah.
They had some buffalo as well.
It's a home house.
This is a house.
Cow, yeah.
Oh,
Cow.
for the cows, okay.
Yeah. I have 3 cows.
So they come here at night.
Yeah.
In here?
Yeah.
Wow. You have 3 cows.
3 cows, yeah.
3 cows.
You can see on the
Over there.
over there.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
on the other side,
I think I saw.
You want some green coconut?
Maybe like a water.
What? Coconut.
Oh, coconut. Yeah, coconut.
Over there.
Over here. Oh. Whoa, wow. Yeah, let's drink some coconuts. Some fresh cocoa. Let's see how this is done here. Got the coconut stick. All right. Let's see. Just gonna poke a couple down there. Oh, there's one. Nice. That was a loud thump. That fell very heavy like a boom. Let's see it.
Coconut.
Okay, so that's how it looks. Now the color, it's not green. It's like it's brown, right?
Yeah.
But that's okay.
It's okay.
About to drink some fresh coconut water. Got some fish over here too, right?
Yeah, fish.
And some chicken. Feels nice out here. I'm just gonna grab another one. So looks like that stick here. It's like a long scythe. Has a knife attached to the end. Now he's coming back here. I think he's gonna get a coconut from a different section. See how these are green. Because the other one did look a little brown. There we go. Nice. Coconut. How do you say coconut?
Coconut. Dong.
Do.
Dong, yeah.
Dong.
Yeah, dong.
Dong. Dong. Dong. Dog. 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 Dog.
Yeah, đồn.
Dog.
Đồn.
Coconut. Coco. Nice. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Dong.
Dong. Yeah.
Dong.
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 Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Dong.
Cheers. Dong.
Yeah, dong. Coconut. Dong.
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 Dong. Nice. Fresh. Delicious. And I'll tell you what, I'm definitely getting pretty hungry as well. What do you say we get some shots with the drone?
Drone.
Drone. Over there?
Over there? Yeah.
But it's okay?
Yes, okay.
Yeah, it's okay?
Yeah.
Let's do some drone, and then are you hungry?
No.
No? Because soon I'm kind of hungry. I want to get some food.
You want some food here or on the road?
I saw on
chicken.
on the road. I saw it. They look good. The restaurants.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, here we go. Get some drone footage over here. Oh, this will be beautiful for the drone. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here for a bit. Just finish this up here with some drone shots. But hope that you enjoyed the video. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you guys, any type of recommendations or different things that you would like to see. So that's it. Bye bye. How do you say bye?
Lehigh.
Lehigh.
Yes.
Lehigh. Lehigh, everybody. Stopped here in a local restaurant on the side of the road, and it seems pretty nice quality actually. They got some things that they're grilling. They're grilling over here, but they got frog. They have frogs, chicken, and fish. And actually, I had her show me the menu, and they actually have eels. They have wild red ant, which I thought was interesting, and I almost was gonna try the frog, but then I was like, you know what? Not sure if I'm feeling it. I had a pretty decent workout today at the gym, and they informed me that the chicken here, it's farm-raised chicken, so it's like a high-quality chicken. So I'm just gonna go with that for now. Don't really feel like being too risky and eating frogs or the wild red ants, but maybe at some point in the future, I might try those ones out. Okay, so the chicken arrived. and I think he was worth it for the $10. Looks very high quality. It's the rice, and these are all these sauces. So looks really good. You know, I was when I arrived, I was questioning them very hard because they were saying it was $10, and I may still have overpaid, but they assured me that, hey, this is local raised chicken, high quality chicken, and now that I see the portions and everything, it's okay. I don't mind spending $10. But you know, on this trip now and any future trips, I have to really question because people are always trying to take advantage, and you know, I get it. But the chicken has arrived and looks very good. So to finalize the video, the chicken, it was great. It was fresh, farm raised, pretty gamey, but there were some bones in there, so you gotta watch as you're chewing it. And it was good. The sauce was good. That's it for today. Bye bye.